What's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei livestream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. Having a super duper good day, by the way, guys. Some of these price actions are to the upside. That's wonderful to see. We had a little bit of a pullback on the crypto markets. Now we're going to ready for that bouncy bounce to happen right from here to the upside, guys. Hope you're taking advantage of all that price action that I've been telling you all throughout the entire week. I doubled down on my XRP trade today when I told you guys to go in on that 46 cent mark on XRP. Went in on another trade. That trade is open up right now and it's making me about 5% on that trade. That trade is doing wonderfully. So I hope you took advantage of that bouncy bounce action on XRP, guys. How y'all doing? Big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. You guys are amazing like always, especially over here on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. If you're over on the YouTube channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream over here on YouTube. I stream every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. I try to stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So how y'all doing, guys? Big shout out to you guys. Big shout out to It's Me Probably over on the TikTok. XRP to the moon. Let's go. Fuck yeah. XRP having a little bit of a bouncy bounce action happening today at that 46 cent mark. That 46 cent mark is just holding on for dear life. And I just keep doubling down on that 46 cent mark. 46, I buy. 46 cents, I buy. We're going to be talking about that today, guys. Some price action on some XRP and the rest of the markets, guys. So stick around, hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe and follow from whatever platform. I stream on every single platform out there. I got a YouTube channel. I got a TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, what else? I got a Twitch. No excuses, guys. No excuses not to get my price action on XRP, guys. My entry prices, my exit prices. You know how it is, guys. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. It's me probably over on the TikTok asking price prediction after the lawsuit. The moon, my man. Whatever the hell that means. $5 XRP, you know how it is. My target price, I've been saying it for quite a while, $5, from $5 to $13 after the lawsuit. That's just my price prediction. I could be full of shit, I don't even know. But I'm strapped in, guys. My bags are full. Manuel Olivera Jr. over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. Another amazing hat. Dude, I'm going to have to open up a hat store. I designed my own hats. You see, I made this one myself. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch. How you doing, Tato? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, man. Chilling like a villain. I saw you stream today. Kick-Ass Gaming today. That was cool. I might have to open up a gaming channel again. You remember when I used to have a gaming channel? I used to have a gaming channel long time ago. I was into that. I don't game anymore. Not as much as I used to before. So big shout out to everybody over here on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. Big shout out to Amir Tillman over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Oh wait, I gotta go over here and turn on the chat box. If I don't turn on the chat box, you guys don't see the gizmos and whatnot. And I believe it's on. Let me test it out. Yep, it's on. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. You guys are amazing. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. We're trying to get to all-time highs. The last time we made it all the way to 6,000 likes on the previous live stream. Let's see if we can get to that 10K mark today. I'm going to be streaming today for a whole hour of power. So you got me here for an hour of power, guys. You ask whatever the hell you want. Any assets you want to look at, anything you want to do some technical analysis on. Go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to read it out loud and do whatever it takes, guys, to find these price actions to the upside, guys. I'm here for you. Got me for an hour of power. Let's go. So let's get our charts ready, guys. We're going to go in it. We're going to go in it today. So big shout out. Thank you guys all for all those likes over on the TikTok. Let me tell you right now, guys, if you're not streaming on TikTok, I don't know what you're doing. If you have a streaming channel, you have to stream on TikTok. TikTok is growing faster for me in a month more than it has the years I've been streaming on YouTube and every other platform out there. There is no way in hell I can get 5 viewers in YouTube and Twitch. Over here on the TikTok, yesterday it was like 100 people on the last live stream. That's ridiculous. Guys, thank you for the support. I'm here for you guys. That's why I do it. So big shout out. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Gucci Crypto, thank you for that follow over on the TX. Gucci, you Gucci, my man. You Gucci. So let's get our charts ready, guys. Let's go in it. We're going to go in it today. We're going to look at some price action, guys. Thank you for that 1,000 likes today, guys. Trying to get to that 10K mark. Also, trying to get to that 10,000 follower over on the TikTok, guys. If you are there, go ahead and make it happen. Make it happen, Captain. Try to get to that 10K mark on all the platforms out there. If you're on TikTok and you want to see me on a bigger screen, go ahead and head over to my YouTube, my Twitch, my Kick. I'm in Facebook. I'm all over the place. Link on my bio, guys. Link on the bio. Big shout out for everybody giving me all them likes, guys. You guys are awesome, man. Big shout out to you. I love each and every one of you. Gucci Crypto, my man. What's up with you, my man? It's all good, all good. We're gonna go in and guys, we're gonna give it what time is it? We're gonna give it 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes and we'll start the class. Big shout out to Jonathan Troche over on the YouTube. Big shout out to you, my man. How you doing? It's all good, all good. Tato! Big shout out to Tato. No, man, your stream was awesome today, bro. It was a kick-ass game. Might have to go back to gaming. I don't know. I just don't have the time to game or stream or do any gaming streaming. All I got time is for this. Trading every single goddamn day. Gucci over on the TikTok asking, what are we trading today? We are trading XRP. My XRP trade is doing fantastic. I went in on it. I just injected a little bit more money into the XRP trade that I had before. So if you've been watching me for the last month, you'd all know that I'm in a lot of trades in XRP. I just made even more. I put even more money into that XRP trade at 46 cents, which is what I told you to do on the last live stream. So I injected more money, and that trade is now making me 5%. The one previous before that one is making 6%. We're going to go in it today. We're going to look at it so you guys can see it. You don't have to just hear me say it. You can actually see it out there, guys. I put my trades where my mouth is. I put my trades where my mouth is so you guys can see that I'm not full of shit. I'm a little bit full of shit, you know. So big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. You guys are awesome, guys. Thank you. Thank you for all them likes. You guys are awesome. Make sure you smash the like button if you haven't already. The more you smash, the higher the XRP price goes. And we want to get to that $100 XRP price. Come on, let's go. All right, everybody. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Stick around and find out together. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first because Bitcoin drags the market in its favor. It is what it is. If Bitcoin pumps, the market pumps. So basically, if you're doing any TA whatsoever on any cryptocurrency market, asset, go ahead and start it with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is king. So let's go to Bitcoin right now over on the charts. Let's go. What is Bitcoin doing right now? Let's zoom in to the last few candles. And what are those candles doing right now? If you're looking over on the screen, we see some downwards action. What did I say yesterday on the last live stream? We were going to have some pullback to the downside. Why? Because money was being taken out of Bitcoin, and you always have to follow the money. We saw this price action coming a mile away. We knew this fucker was going to come back down, and it is going to keep going down to the downside because these candles are just telling me, hey, more price action to the downside. Judy! Big shout out to Judy over on the TikTok. How you doing, Judy? So good or good? Chilling like a villain, you know? Taking it easy little by little. So big shout out to you guys over on the TikTok. Judy, you always here every single day, man. You are you're really like this show. Guys, do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high on the screen right now? Yes, we do. So with that information, what do? We got a low, we got a high, and we have a pullback on the high. We're gonna draw our Fibonacci levels. Let's go into the Fibonacci Nator, and there it is. That is your Fibonacci retracement tool for when you're going to do some TA on Bitcoin. Make sure that you draw from the low, you draw from the high, and you draw from the pullback on the high, because you're waiting for that pullback to happen. On the pullback, it's where you're gonna want to get in on some Bitcoin action. You don't go in on the green. You don't go in on XLM when it was pumping to 11 cents a few days ago. No, you want to go in when it pulls back. And what is the best price action to getting in on any asset whatsoever? The golden pocket of the Fibonacci. So if you guys are not trading Bitcoin right now, this is where you're gonna want to start stacking up on some Bitcoin action. Why? Because that area right there is called the highest demand zone. Okay, this is the highest demand zone on any asset. Whatever asset you're looking at, whether Bitcoin, stocks, Forex, whatever you're looking at, that's the price range where you're going to want to start stacking up on some Bitcoin action. So when it pulls to the downside, and let me tell you right now, it is going to pull all the way down to those 20 zones. Okay, it is going to pull down. It has the red candle to the downside. The RSI is pointing down. Money flow is being on the red, is being taken out of Bitcoin, but we'll talk about money flow later on. And look at all these moving averages just kind of curving back down like that. So pretty much everything is indicating me that, hey, we're going to see some price range to the downside, okay? Okay. So on Bitcoin, we're going to see that retracement, and we are going to get in on some Bitcoin action when it comes back down. Now, remember that you can always make money whether the price goes up or down, because we trade. We're actively leverage trading. We make money whether we long it or we short it. So there's always a way to make money whether it goes up or it goes down. Okay. I am going to go in on some Bitcoin action at this price ranges right here, 28,121 and 27,332 or 33, it depends. Those two price ranges right over there. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to trade exactly the way that I am trading. I already have a limit buy order for Bitcoin at 27,332. Hoping and crossing my fingers that it actually bounces from the 618. Okay, we always try to catch that 618 bounce. Even if it actually breaks it to the downside and it keeps going down, it doesn't matter. Most of the times it bounces from the 618. Then it continues to go down, but we try to take that bouncy bounce action to close our trade in a positive manner. Okay, 5 or 6% per trade, that's not bad at all. 5 or 6% a day, you're not gonna find that anywhere, guys. Like I say, this game comes with rules. You just got to learn to read the patterns. You got to learn how to identify the patterns. You got to know what to do with the patterns, and then you need to take action on those patterns. You do those three things, and your trading goes to a whole other level, guys. Okay, that's what we're here for. Smash that like button if you want XRP and Bitcoin. Bitcoin to go to 100K by tomorrow. Let's go. Judy over on the TikTok ask and say, market dump, more opportunities. Of course, I doubled down on my XRP today. I told you guys to buy in at 46 cents. I went in on 46 cents. That trade right now, let me give you guys right here. That trade right now at 46,234, I went in. It caught it automatically. I put in a limit buy order. Once we look at XRP, we're going to find out why 46 cents. That trade is making me 5% on that trade. Okay. And the other one that was already at 46 cents is making me 6% on that trade. Okay. Stick around, guys. I'll give you guys the exact entry zones. For Bitcoin, this is my exact entry zone right there. 28,151, 27,332. Okay. That's my price range for some Bitcoin. Actually, take a screenshot of that if you want to play it like I am playing it. Okay, guys? We make money on the way up and on the way down. Moving on to some Ethereum action. Now, if Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum pumps with it, because Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. Those are the top two by market cap coins on the world. They drive the prices on all the assets, okay? So Ethereum having a little bit of a pullback action. We were expecting that pullback action because Bitcoin was expecting a pullback action, and Ethereum does the exact same thing Bitcoin does, okay? The pullback action is bouncing on the 382. Now, on the 382, whenever an asset bounces on the 382, I personally do not trade on the 382. The 382 for me is not a demand zone. For me, the 382 is a resistance zone. I believe more in the 618 on the Fibonacci than the 382. So as of right now, it's bouncing on the 382, but experience has taught me that sooner or later that sucker is going to get broken to the downside, okay? The 382 is very easy to break to the downside because it's not high support. Support and demand is in the golden zone on the Fibonacci. The 618 on the Fibonacci, that's where I am going to go in on some Ethereum action. It's already on the screen right now. I played it exactly from the last live stream. Nothing has changed. My limit buy order on Ethereum is at 1,760.75. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play out this same scenario right here on some Ethereum action. And yes, guys, I trade on the daily chart. Just in case you're asking that question, yes, I am trading on the daily charts. Okay. Big shout out to Anthony Ruffin over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. IOB, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome, guys. Smash that like button, guys. I'm trying to break all-time highs. The last live stream, we did 6,000 likes. Let's see if we can get to 10,000 likes on this stream today. Let's see if we can make it happen, Captain. Let's go. Gotta get that water in, guys. Gotta hydrate. Let's go. So this is how I'm going to be playing out Ethereum. Nothing has changed from the last live stream. We're still waiting for that price action to go to the downside. Looks like it's going to keep going to the downside. It's trading in the middle zone on the RSI. So as of right now, I don't know what the market's going to do because just as the right in the middle zone on the RSI. Let's see how it plays out in the near future. Well, for me, I'm strapped in, locked and loaded. My limit buy order for Ethereum is at 1,760. Let's see if it actually plays out. Moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. Let me get rid of all this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. So my beautiful baby girl XRP. What is XRP doing right now? It's holding strong for that 46 cents. It's been pretty much stuck between 50 cents and 46 cents. It's just within that channel right over there. Some sideways action probably coming right around the corner. Although, keep an eye out, guys. Keep an eye out because I'm kind of seeing a cross of the red with the yellow to the upside on the red. What does that mean? When the red crosses the yellow to the upside, that means that there is going to be probably some price action to the downside. Okay? So we might start expecting some price action on XRP to go down. Now, what could drive the price of XRP to the upside? Money. Follow the money. Okay? As of right now, do we have any excuse or news to be buying XRP? No. We are speculating like hell for that lawsuit to end immediately. And rest assured that the moment that lawsuit ends, this fucker is gonna blow your mind. We just don't know when the hell that is going to happen. My man, I've been waiting for years for that fucking lawsuit to end already. When the hell are we gonna get that done? Anyway, point is, I'm stacking on my XRP on the way down, and I believe that there is going to be some more price action for XRP to the downside. Dips are for buying. I am buying more XRP on the way down, dollar cost averaging, waiting for that bouncy bounce to happen, and to the moon from there. Now, can we find a bottom zone on our trades? I kind of see that the price is going to go down, so I am going to draw out my Fibonacci to the downside. And there it is. Check this out, guys. See how it found the resistance, because we are now shorting XRP. We're thinking like we're going to short XRP. We found the resistance on the 618, and then it came down from there. And then we had, oh, give me a second, guys. Good. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. People calling me when they know they should not. So we found the support on the resistance on the 618. broke to the downside, closed below the 382. So if it closes below the 382, that means that there is a high probability that we are going to get the negative zone on the Fibonacci. These two zones down here, which is the negative 382 and the negative 618. What does that mean? It means that we are going to probably get a 41-cent XRP and maybe even a 38-cent XRP. Rest assured that I am ready and locked and loaded at 41 cents and 38 cents. I'm dollar cost averaging on the way down. One of those two zones are going to get tested, and one of those two zones are going to be a bouncy bounce for XRP. And if you don't believe me, here are my open orders right now. I got one at 41 cents and one at 38. Well, I actually got one at 39 cents. Those are my two limit buy orders. Actually, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 limit buy orders for XRP on the way down. Dollar cost averaging, guys. Dollar cost averaging. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So 41 cent XRP and 38 cent XRP. That's where I'm going to start stacking up on my XRP, guys. Okay? Smash that like button. If you don't want XRP to go to 41 cents, you want it to go to $5 by tomorrow. What could drive the price of XRP to $5 by tomorrow? A goddamn settlement on the damn lawsuit. That's all we need, guys. Big shout out to Abigail Reigns over on the TikTok. Bro, what's your short and long-term targets for XRP? Those are these are my short-term targets for XRP. Okay. 41 cents, 38 cents. Chip Serrano over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. How do I buy XRP in New York? Bro, New York hates crypto. You would move out of New York and do it from somewhere else. On New York, I really don't know, because I know that the laws are very strict on crypto in New York. I wouldn't know what to tell you because I don't live in New York. I don't know what the exact laws. I do know that they hate crypto with a passion. We used to be able to buy it on Coolcoin. I believe we still have a chance. I think you still have a chance to getting in on some XRP action before the 15th of July on Coolcoin.com. Okay. After the 15th of July, Coolcoin is going down. They're implementing KYC, and if you're in the United States, even if you use a VPN, you're not going to be able to buy from Coolcoin. Unfortunately, that sucks and it hurts like hell, because I used to use Coolcoin like crazy, especially when I was bot trading, when I was doing my bots. I loved Coolcoin. And if you were in New York, in Puerto Rico, in Miami, in anywhere in the world, you could buy XRP from an unregulated exchange. But unfortunately, that's not doable right now. I think we can get it on Femix. So I think you can buy. I don't know. I don't know to tell you if it actually does work, because I don't have a Femix account. But I've heard that you can buy XRP with Femix. So open up an account, see if you don't need KYC, or if you do KYC, then they accept the New York license. I don't know. But check it out. Check it out. And if it works, let me know. Send me a DM. Yo, Crypto Sensei, it worked. Go to my Discord and send me a message on Discord. Hey, it worked on Femix. So I open up an account on Femix and I'll do my trades from there too. I'm looking for an exchange that'll replace Coolcoin. It has sucked so badly since Coolcoin went down. But yeah, I'm trying out some Femix action. Let's see if it actually lets you do that. Thank you, Chip, for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to Crypto. Oh, Crypto Hill. Crypto Hill is saying Femix. So yeah, see if it actually works out. Chimp, let me know if it actually works out on Femix. I'm thinking about registering on a Femix account and trading from there. Let me know, guys, if it actually works. Go to my Discord, link in my bio, and let me know if Femix works for buying XRP in New York. That's the important part. In New York. And if not, then we can always always rely on my beautiful baby girl platform, BitGet. BitGet.com. The only problem with BitGet.com is that you're going to need a VPN to access. There's still a little bit of hope for buying without KYC. There's a limit on how much XRP you can buy and how much you can withdraw a day without KYC. I live in Puerto Rico. I sent my KYC, my Puerto Rican driver's license, and it worked. I have a verified account on BitGet. I don't know if that is going to play out on the States, though. So it worked for me. See if it actually plays out. So those are pretty much your options. You either got Femix or BitGet. But BitGet, you're going to need a VPN. So big shout out to you, my man, Crypto Hill and Chimp. Smash that like button if you haven't already. We're trying to get to all-time highs on our likes today. Trying to get to that 10K. We got 12 viewers today over on the TikTok. We got a few more over on the Twitch. Guys, also remember that I do stream on every other platform out there. I'm streaming on YouTube, on Twitch, on Kick. All those links in my bio, guys. Mega over on the TikTok asking, what about Uphold? I don't know if Uphold allows you to buy from New York. Remember that New York has their own, their way of doing things. I don't know if it's allowed on New York, because the question was is he lives in New York City and he wants to know if he can buy XRP. New York has their own way of doing things. They have their own laws, their own, just like every other state. But the thing is that New York really doesn't like crypto. I love New York. If I could move to the States, I would move to New York. But it's not crypto friendly. I only live in crypto. It's okay, Mega. But you guys let me know. Try Uphold. See if you can buy it on New York. If you can use it from your phone in New York, let me know if it actually works. You learn, I learn. That would be actually something new for me. So my beautiful baby girl XRP having a little bit of a crackdown to the downside. My target price is 41 cents and 38 cents. Whichever those two zones and bounces from there, I'm ready and locked and loaded to go into even more leverage trading on those two zones right there, guys. Okay? And if it bounces from here, remember I gave you two sides. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to go down. It could go up. If it goes up, what is the target price that I'm looking for? Let's draw out our Fibonacci and find out. And this is one of the other reasons why I say that this sucker could keep going to the downside. See what it's doing right here, right now, and this moment right here, right now. It's breaking the 618 on the Fibonacci to the upside. That is not good to see on any asset whatsoever. If it actually closes below the 618, so if by tomorrow I wake up in the morning and I see 45 cent XRP, rest assured that we're going to see 41 cent XRP and 38 cent XRP. So keep an eye out for this XRP price action happening right now. Don't go to sleep until after 12 p.m. because it'll probably close below the 618. And if it closes below, it's more price action to the downside. But if it closes above it, if it closes exactly at 46 or above, then more price action to the upside. But I kind of don't see it happening anytime soon. Okay? Do with that information as you may. Trade it however the hell you want. But that is my short-term trade for some XRP action. But as you all know, I'm just dollar cost averaging on the way down because I know this sucker's going to break to the upside sooner or later. It is what it is. We're going to win that case. It's a fact. So let's just go. Let's just go. And that, guys, is my XRP trade. Moving on to some Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing right now? So Litecoin, just like Bitcoin, is tied to Bitcoin. Litecoin dumps if Bitcoin dumps. Tato over on the Twitch saying I might stop streaming and sell my ass for my bills. God damn, bro! You can try streaming on Kick. I believe they have a. If you have like a certain verification, they pay you like $16 an hour, I think. I don't know if that is true. I don't even have followers over on my Kick channel. I think I have like 2 followers on Kick. I stream a lot more on TikTok than I do on Kick. But try it out. See if it actually pays something out for you, man. Don't give up. Don't give up on streaming. It's just that streaming is a very, very, very long-term commitment type of career. You can make money on anything else. But streaming? Nah. You're playing with fire when you do streaming 24 hours a day. Big shout out to the Truth Stings over on the TikTok's kicking ass name. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. So Litecoin, guys, having a bit of a reversal because Bitcoin is having a reversal and Litecoin is tied to Bitcoin by the hip and it's having a pull down. We take advantage of that pull down because now we have new price ranges. Why? Because we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. On that pullback, that is a shark fin formation. With the shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And these are my entry prices. Ooh, let me zoom in. Oh, almost wicked the 0.5 on the 618. So we still got some more room to the downside. Oops. We still got some more room to the downside on some Litecoin action. These are my 2 entry prices you're getting in on some Litecoin action. 93.21 and $88. That is how I am going to play Litecoin in the very, very short term. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play out this exact same trade. I am opening it up at 93 and 88, especially 88. Okay? Especially 88. Let's see how that one plays out, but that is Litecoin entry prices right there. Moving on to some Cardano. Cardano, another coin that's being sued by the SEC. Super bad news for anybody holding on to some Cardano action. I don't believe Cardano is going to get that all-time high swing that we had the last bull cycle because they're being sued by the SEC. And until all that bullshit is settled, none of those coins are probably never going to see all-time highs again. I could be wrong, completely wrong. But it's starting to get delisted from exchanges. And you all know what happened to XRP. Okay? The only difference between XRP and Cardano is that XRP is ending the lawsuit now. Cardano is starting the lawsuit now. So 2-3 years down the line, let's see how it actually plays out. But for now, we can make money either way. These are my entry prices you're getting in on some Cardano action. 0.2693, 0.2601. If you guys are longing Cardano, that is your way to go. You're gonna want to start stacking up on some Cardano on those 2 zones right there. See if it actually plays out to the upside. It's a high risk, high reward type of trade because I don't think that Cardano is going to keep going to the upside anytime soon. It's being sued. But of course, the next bull cycle is going to bring upswings on the entire market. It is how the bull cycle works. But I just don't see it coming to all-time highs anytime soon. Let's see how it actually plays out. But that is my Cardano entry prices you're getting in on some Cardano action to the upside. Moving on to some XLM. Look at that. Look at what XLM is doing right now. Bouncing exactly on the trades that I told you to get in on the last live stream. Let me get rid of that so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Why? Because we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. That is a shark fin formation on the daily chart. The shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. So you can play out the Fibonacci levels for confirmation if that is what you need. As of right now, trading exactly on the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. Good entry price you're getting in on some XLM, but I think that there's an even better chance you're getting in on some XLM on the 618 on the Fibonacci right over here. Do with that information as you may, but I'm going to put it on the screen right here so you can take a screenshot. But if I was a betting man and I was getting in on some XLM action, I would get in right here. 9 cents, guys. I've always been an advocate for XLM to getting in on some XLM action as long as it's below 10 cents. Anything below 10 cents is a major steal for XLM, especially if you're holding on long term. Okay? Do with that information as you may, but I'm getting in on some XLM action at 0.091517. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play out exactly like how I am playing it, and let me know if it actually works out for you guys. Big shout out for everybody over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all those follows. Thank you for all those likes. Smash that like button, guys. We're trying to get to that 10K like button, target. Trying to get to all-time highs on the likes. Last time we did 6,000 likes, which was ridiculous, guys. Let's see if we can actually make it happen today. Smash that like button if you haven't already, and make sure you follow too if you're not following me just yet. Trying to get to that 10K follower mark also. Moving on to some Solana action. What is Solana doing right now? So Solana having a little bit of a spiky spike to the upside. That is beautiful to see, especially when I told you guys to get in on some Solana right here when it wicked on the 618. Did you catch it? Did you go in on that stream when I told you guys you're getting in on some Litecoin action, on some Solana action? Why? Because it wicked exactly on the 618. This is exactly what I want to see playing out on every other coin out there. It bounced on the 618, okay, right there. It broke the 382. So if it breaks the 382, then what does that mean? That it has a high probability that we're going to see the negative 382 on the top. So as of right now, we're going to see a $22 Solana. Did you catch that trade? I really hope you did, guys, because this one is playing out quite nicely to the upside on Solana, which actually surprises the hell out of me because Solana is another coin that's getting sued by the SEC. But as you can see, the market doesn't give a fuck about the SEC. And neither do I, frankly. So did you trade this to the upside? Did you catch it? It broke the 382. It's going to 22. Did you catch it? Let me know on the chat box. If not, don't worry about it. You're always going to have another chance to getting in on some Solana action. But as of this moment, as of right now, I don't have an entry price on Solana because it's playing out exactly how it should be playing out. Once we reach that $22 mark, then we reset and we do another entry price to getting in on some Solana action. But this right here, what you're looking on the screen, guys, this is what I mean when you try to get in on the 618. You have to get in on the 618. Okay? Okay. Do what you got to do with that information, guys. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Bitcoin Cash. Oh, what is Bitcoin Cash doing right now? I'm hearing a lot of things about Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash starting out this sideways action to the downside. Most likely is going to break to the downside. These are my two entry prices getting in on some Bitcoin Cash. Take a screenshot of that if you haven't done so already. That's how I'm going to be playing out this Bitcoin Cash movement to the upside. Try to catch it at that 618 zone, especially at 181. Are we going to get to 181? I have no idea whatsoever. But I'm locked, strapped in, ready to go. Try to get in on some Solana, some Bitcoin Cash action at 209 and 181. Take a screenshot of that. Steve McKee over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to Killum over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow to Red Fox 2342. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Smash that like button, guys. The more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. Let's go into some Doge action right over here. What is Dogecoin doing right here? Are you guys trading Doge? Are you still trading this shit ass coin right here? Dogecoin, not. I don't see any pumping whatsoever on Dogecoin. Let me see. Let me zoom in. Let me do this. Let me get in the zone. So we have a low, we have a high. So this is a downwards momentum action right over here. Let's see. Target price. Okay. So there was your shorting opportunity. It bounced exactly on the negative 618 on the Fibonacci levels. We might see some upswing to the upside. If I was going to get in on some Doge action, not telling you to do that. This is a total shitcoin whatsoever. I don't trade shitcoins, but no reason why people shouldn't be making money on shitcoins. 5590. That's where I'm going to start stacking up on some Dogecoin action, guys, right here. 0.05 cents, okay? 5 cents. Major support on 5 cents. Let's see. Cross our fingers. Let's see if it actually plays out, guys. Big shout out to Electric Ties over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. 2.5 thousand likes on the TikTok. God damn, that's amazing, guys. That is amazing. Never thought in a million years anybody would like me 2,000 times. Look at the total market cap. What is the total market cap doing right now? So total market cap, super mega upswing to the upside. That's beautiful to see. Wait, this is the total market cap. Okay. Total market cap over on the entire crypto market on the upswing. Beautiful to see. That's exactly where I want to see this total market cap going, because the total market cap gives me price ranges. It gives me momentum. It gives me that, hey, money's being put in on crypto. Follow the money. That's all the total market cap gives me. And I want to see it bouncing on that 618, and it did. It broke the 382, and it did. And now that means that there is a high probability that we're going to get $1.4 trillion. $1.4 trillion on the entire crypto market. Where do you think that extra $300 billion is going to go for? What coin could possibly drive market cap to $1.4 trillion? Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, major coins, guys. Let's see if it actually plays out. We wake up tomorrow morning and we get that $1.4 trillion. Not tomorrow morning, but during the next few days. Also, another thing that I like to do every single day is I like to look at the US dollar. The US dollar index, that Dixie index, gives you an inverse relationship of what the US dollar is doing with cryptocurrencies. When one pumps, the other one dumps, most of the times. Not always, but most of the times. Okay. Danny Boy over on the TikTok asking thoughts on VAI. VAI. We can look at that coin. Never heard about it. Never heard it. We can look at it. Of course we can. Let me write it down. VAI. So looking on the dollar right now, the dollar is having a little bit of a dumpy dump on the red side to the downside, crossing the red with the yellow to the downside. For some reason, most likely rate hikes or whatever the fuck the US is doing right now. Price action to the downside on some US dollar index. That could be positive for crypto. When one dumps, the other one pumps most of the time. So let's see if it actually plays out. You can see it on the side view mirror right here. DXY is negative. Everything else in crypto is positive. So we could start seeing some price action to the upside on some Bitcoin action. That's beautiful to see. So my man Danny wants to look at VAI. Do you guys know what VAI is? Let me do a little bit of research on that coin. Coin market cap. Let me just for shits and giggles. VAI? VAI. That is a coin. Okay. Whoa. Is VAI a stable coin? What is VAI, Danny? What is VAI? It's a stable coin, my man. Or am I writing it wrong? VIAOT. Steve McKee's over on the TikTok. VAIOT. Or VAIOT. VAIOT. I don't know. You guys are trolling me, my man. You guys are trolling me. That's not a... Oh, yeah, it is. There it is. Oh, okay, now this one makes a lot more sense because VAI is just a stable coin. I can't do technical analysis on the stable coin. VAIOT. Let me see what is VAIOT. VAIOT was founded in 2018 and combines artificial intelligence and blockchain to create new ways. Oh, this is an AI coin. Well, AI is all the buzz right now. So if you guys don't have any AI coins, you should get some AI coins. I'm highly interested in AI and metaverse. When those two things collide, it's going to be ridiculous. Projects is regulated under the Virtual Financial Regulatory Framework in Malta since 2020. Our company, the project, and the token offering itself were audited several times, blah, blah, blah. Enables both business and consumers to utilize a set of technologies called intelligent contracts. It serves as a personal assistant available on mobile devices via a simple, natural user interface providing AI-based legal services. Sounds interesting. Let me look at their website. AI-driven service powered by the VFS assets. Look at the founders. Who the fuck is this guy? He looks trustworthy. Oh, there we go. Okay, so they got a team. They work at it. Okay, all right. Okay. Let's look at it. VAIOT. And it's being traded on Coolcoin. That's beautiful to see. All right, so, whoa. Look at this, guys. So we have a low. We have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. That is a shark fin formation right there on the daily chart. We're going to draw out our Fibonacci levels to see what the hell is it doing in a macro point of view. And as of right now, check this out, guys. VAIOT is trading below the 618 on the Fibonacci levels on the daily chart, okay? Be careful with coins that trade below the 618 on the Fibonacci levels, okay? Until this asset doesn't find support within the 618, I wouldn't go in it. Okay, that means that this sucker has a high probability to keep going to the downside. We all saw the major surge of AI coins and AI things and everything. The impulse and the motivation and the people's attention was all AI. But nothing goes up forever, not even AI. There's going to be pullbacks. And this one pulled all the way below the 618. So this is all pretty much hype. Okay, this was all pretty much hype. And then the inevitable crash to the downside. Now, that doesn't mean that this coin is going to zero and that you shouldn't be in AI. No, on the contrary, you want to be in AI coins. You have to have at least a little piece of your portfolio within AI coins. All I'm saying is there is better price action if you guys are on the ropes to getting in on some AI coins on VAIOT. I'm just saying, wait for the asset to close above the 618 and find support in the 618. I'm saying wait for it to close at 10 cents. Yes, I know it's higher than the price that it is right now. And if you're going to want to get in, you get in on the when it's low. I understand that. I'm just saying that there's a smarter way to trade if it finds support within the 618, because if it doesn't, it's going to break to the downside. Now you could also DCA on the way down. Of course, actually, I'll give you those DCA to the downside. There we go. Right here. There it is. So if I was going to get in on some DCA action to the downside on VAIOT, these are my price ranges right over here, 0.07, 07, and 0.0637. Take a screenshot of this, my man, because this is how I'm going to be playing out. VAIOT. VAIOT. 7 cents and 6 cents. Take a screenshot. Do what you got to do. Play however the hell you want to play it. but that's where I'm going to start stacking up on some VAIOT. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, guys, this is all the time I have for you today, guys. I got some people coming over. We're going to be doing some training today. I'm going to hit the gym. I'm going to eat. I'm starving like a motherfucker right now. So I'm going to go do that, guys. I'll be here again on Monday. Make sure that you follow, like, and subscribe from all the platforms I have available for you guys. I'm on Twitch, Kick, TikTok, Instagram. I'm all over the place, guys. No excuses not to get the news, not to get my price action, and not to see what the hell this crypto market is going to be doing in the near future. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I had a hell of a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Thank you, and I appreciate all of you for coming by for this little hour of power. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the follows on all the platforms. I appreciate it and love each and every one of you guys. God bless, take care, and have a good one. I will see you again Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern.